In this program, you will learn about the Virtual Global Exchange, VGE, which is an accessible global learning experience that virtually connects two courses in different countries. At a professional level, this experience will prepare your students to work and succeed in a multicultural world. By developing this project through technology, your students will be able to advance their academic, technological, communication, and teamwork skills. At a personal level, VGE is a transformative global learning experience. By interacting with students from different countries and various cultural backgrounds, your students will be able to broaden their horizons and reflect critically about their established worldviews.